Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Print to PDF not showing Windows 10 11s. Let's go start. Search for Control Panel and click the top result to open the console. Then click on Programs. Click on Turn on Windows Features on or off. Scroll down. Find and turn on the Microsoft Print to PDF on the list. Then click OK. Then click OK and restart if prompted. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.